for betting me in this. Okay. With a quick show of hands, how many of us have had cancer or know somebody that has had cancer? Okay. Now, if we had the power, how many of us would cure someone with cancer, even a stranger? Good. Luckily, BeTheMatch.org, the foremost bone marrow donation registry in the world, has empowered all of us to be a part of the cure for cancer in an easy and affordable way. It is important for all of us to join the bone marrow registry because 70% of people afflicted with treatable blood cancers do not have a suitable donor in their family. Today, we're going to take the first step in defeating cancer by registering with BeTheMatch.org. First, let's examine the challenges of blood cancer treatment. According to Medline Plus, a service of the U.S. National Library of Medicine, blood cancer treatments require bone marrow transplants to replace non-working blood stem cells. Potential matches for bone marrow donation are limited by inherited genetic markers. Specifically, donors and recipients require matching human leukocyte antigens, or HLA types. Matching HLA types are most often found in donors and recipients that share the same racial or ethnic backgrounds. This means a person's best chance of finding a donor may be with someone who shares a similar ancestry. As I mentioned earlier, 70% of people afflicted with treatable blood cancers don't have a match in their family. A suitable donor must have a minimum of 6 HLA markers. Half of a person's HLA markers are inherited from the mother and the other half are inherited from the father. A sibling that shares the same parents as the recipient has a 1 in 4 chance of being a suitable match. This means extended family members are even less likely to be a suitable match. In addition to these challenges, doctors prefer donors between the ages of 18 to 44 because cell degradation could negatively impact the quality of the samples. Now that we understand these challenges, let's learn how to register with BeTheMatch.org and help save lives. Becoming a donor is easy and affordable. In fact, 2 college football players donated and returned to their active lifestyle. There are three ways to be a donor. There are 3 ways to help somebody cure cancer by being a donor. One way is to donate with a peripheral blood stem cell donation, or PBSC donation. PBSC donations are collected in a similar manner to a blood donation. This is the same type of donation that was made by the aforementioned college football players. Another way to donate is by making traditional bone marrow donations. This is a surgical procedure that takes place in a hospital operating room. Typically, the hospital stays from early morning to late afternoon. BeTheMatch.org will follow up with you until you report a full recovery. Perhaps the easiest form of donation is a cord blood donation. This is simply donating the umbilical cord after a child's birth. It's free and it's safe for the mother and the baby. Again, the specimen is collected from the umbilical cord and not from the baby. BeTheMatch.org also allows people between the ages of 18 to 44 to register online and for free. Simply visit BeTheMatch.org's website and click the Join button. Fill out the necessary information and BeTheMatch.org will mail you a kit. This kit will have cotton swabs to collect a sample by swiping the inside of your cheek. It's so simple that even I was able to do it. After the kit is completed, just stick it in the mail and you've registered to become a donor. You will only be asked to donate if a match is found. Joining BeTheMatch.org is a tremendous opportunity to make a world of difference in the lives of others. It's a process that asks very little of the donor, and it's free and easy to register. Since most people with treatable blood cancers won't have a viable match within their family, it is important to get as many people as possible to register. This is your opportunity to help join the fight against cancer in the most profound way. Give a little of yourself, and you'll give somebody their life back. Thank you. And then, thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's one for good measure. Awesome.